In this video, I'll explain how long a Western Union money transfer usually takes and what factors can affect the speed. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Many people use Western Union to send money, but are often unsure how long a transfer actually takes. Transfer speed depends on the method you choose. Cash pickup transfers are usually the fastest and can arrive within minutes, making them a popular option for urgent situations. The next thing to consider is bank transfers. Sending money directly to a bank account can take longer, usually a few hours up to 1-2 business days, depending on the country and banking system. Another important factor is the payment method. Payments made with debit or credit cards are often processed quickly, while bank transfers may take longer to be approved before the money is sent. You should also consider the destination country. Some countries have faster processing systems, while others may experience delays due to local banking hours, weekends, or holidays. Verification can also affect timing. In some cases, Western Union may need to verify your identity, which can slightly delay the transfer, especially for larger amounts. Finally, most Western Union transfers are completed quickly, but the exact time depends on the method, location, and payment type you choose. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.